Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this approved used Audi TT Coupe that comes finished in the stunning Daytona Grey paint. At the time of this recording, the car's done 42,500 miles. To the side of the car's profile, rolling on 19-inch alloy wheels in a 5-star spoke design, making a bold statement on the road. Showing you the boot area. As you can see, there is plenty of space for your everyday needs. To the rear, you have the stylish leather and cloth upholstery with the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. To the front of the cabin, you have the 3-spoke flat-bottom multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual cockpit. Slide into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather and cloth upholstery with the S&Boss logo and manual seating adjustments. Behind the wheel, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features such as a wide view of the satellite navigation map, so no need to take your eyes off the road, connection of your mobile phone devices to stay in touch with loved ones, and a wide selection of your favourite DAB radio stations. To the centre of the car's dash, you have the manual heating, climate control. Below, you have a hidden compartment to charge your phone with the 2 USB charging ports. Finished off with the all-important 6 manual gearbox and the electric parking brake, adding a modern flair to this car. Call today on 01782 488 205.